What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another vlog. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I want to start off this video by saying I apologize again, but I haven't filmed in around a month's time. I think the last time I filmed a vlog was in Battambang in Cambodia. Since then we have been throughout Cambodia. We went to Kampot, Phnom Penh, and then we came into Vietnam through Ho Chi Minh, rented some motorbikes, and since then we have been driving up through Vietnam, and we're currently in Hue, which is just over halfway to the north. As usual, I will either put a small montage right now at the beginning of the video going through everything that you've missed in the past few weeks. Songkran Festival is the Thai New Year celebration that's also celebrated in Cambodia, Laos and Myanmar. On the 13th of April every single year they have the world's biggest water fight, which represents purification and the washing away of sins.
How was that though?
It wasn't that bad. Like, I thought it was going to be a lot worse. Like parts of this one like hurt a lot more than this, and even like the bits near the bottom like tickled. Like I had to like try and stay still. But
yeah, I think you did pretty good, to be fair.
Yeah, what were you expecting? You seemed
I thought you were going to be wincing all over the place. It's good though.
But today we're in Hoi. We have come to find the abandoned water park. I'll put the full name on screen now, and we're just currently walking to the water park. Here's Louis, by the way.
Yeah.
How have you been?
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Yeah, I've been alright. Same old, same old.
We got about a 5-minute walk to the water park, I think. And there's a possibility I might try and use the drone for the first time. We'll see how that goes. The weather's looking a little bit ropey, but apologies if this video is a little bit shaky. I have lost my mini tripod, so I have to hold the camera with my hand. But yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's go film some epic footage. In 2001, Tien Water Park was set to start construction with a budget of more than 70 billion dong, which is roughly £230,000, to attract more tourists to the province of Hue. 3 years later, the park had its grand opening with parts still unfinished, which resulted in an insufficient experience for tourists, and after some time with no positive turnover, the park was forced to shut down. Left abandoned for more than 10 years now, all that is left is an eerie shell of a place once built for fun and excitement, taken over by nature and rotting in the elements. So we have fully explored the abandoned water park. There is a huge dragon that you can climb up and go inside its mouth. And as you have just seen, there are some water slides that actually are slidable somehow, even though this place has been abandoned for about 8 years. It's just started raining, which is very annoying, as I was just about to whack out the drone and try to get some aerial shots. If you guys come here to Hue, definitely come take a visit to the abandoned water park. It is a bit of a shame, as it's no longer free to come in, because as they do in Asia, they turned it into a tourist attraction. It does only cost 20,000 to get in and 10,000 for the parking, so it's around £1 British to come in and explore. We did see a fair amount of people in here, both locals and tourists. I think you can get local tours by locals, but we just decided to come here on our own on our bikes. We're going to try and wait for the rain to stop and see if we can use the drone, and if not, we're going to head out of here. So it's been a couple hours and we've gone back to the hostel and freshened up, had a shower, and now we've decided to come out into the city of Hue and try out a local, I think it's local, it might be touristy, but a place to eat that has been recommended to us by our hostel owner. So we're gonna go find some food now, do the usual where we talk about what we're eating, and then maybe give a little quick recap of what we thought of the abandoned water park before the end of today's video. it's getting dark and there's not much left for us to do. What have you got, Louis? What have we gone for this time?
I can't remember what it's
over
called.
here.
Bun Fit Noam, probably pronounced wrong. It's like, I think it's like pork, noodles, and some salad, and then some like peanut sauce. It's like nice and sweet. Yeah,
Yeah, it does look good. It definitely needs some sauce by the looks of it.
it's pretty dry.
We've also both gone for some sort of spring roll variation. So, as usual, let's tuck in and see how this goes. So we finished dinner now. Louis, what are your thoughts on the food we just had?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Nothing I've had better, but
Yeah.
nah, it was super cheap and we're mad hungry, so I don't really care.
Yeah.
Just wanted to eat.
If you come to Hoi, I would stay away from the super touristy places and try and find somewhere a little bit local, because you pretty much get the same thing and for cheaper and arguably better quality. We're basically at the hostel now. I'm probably going to end this vlog here. Any final thoughts on the water park, Louis, before we say bye?
No, it was super awesome. I love it. It was like being a kid again, because we were climbing around and messing around. And it was just fucking awesome. I loved it.
Yeah, I feel like it's definitely something you need to do if you come to Hoi. But anyway guys, I'm going to end today's video here. I hope you enjoyed all the footage we managed to get of the abandoned water park, and hopefully there'll be some more full videos coming up very soon as we go up into the north of Vietnam. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. If you want to join us on the journey throughout Asia, so make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to keep up with every single upload and you don't miss any, make sure you hit the bell button. And I would really appreciate it if you dropped a big thumbs up on the video and leave any suggestions down in the comments for things you would like to see or any improvements that you think I could make to the videos. Until next time guys, I'll catch you in a bit. Peace.